Up the ramp, understanding English phrases. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, up the ramp. This phrase is a great example of how English can be full of interesting expressions. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about different phrases, this video will provide a clear understanding. So, let's dive in. The phrase, up the ramp, typically refers to moving or going upwards on a ramp. A ramp is a sloped surface connecting two different levels. In everyday use, this phrase can be taken literally, like someone going up a ramp in a parking garage or at a skateboard park. However, it's important to know that in English, many phrases can also have figurative meanings. In its literal sense, up the ramp is straightforward. For example, the delivery truck went up the ramp to unload the goods. Here, it simply describes the action of moving up a sloped surface. In a figurative sense, it can symbolize an increase in intensity, effort, or progress in a situation. For instance, as the project deadline approached, the team's efforts went up the ramp. This means that the team increased their efforts as the deadline got closer. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. 1. Physical movement. She pushed the wheelchair up the ramp into the building. 2. Increasing effort. With the tournament coming up, the players are really going up the ramp with their training. 3. Business growth. This year, our company's growth really went up the ramp, exceeding all expectations. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of up the ramp. Remember, English is full of phrases that can be understood both literally and figuratively, depending on the context. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master these expressions. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips in our next video.